Hi, my presentation is on Procambarus clarkii, also known as crawfish. What are they? Crawfish are small aquatic creatures that belong to the subphylum Crustacea, which is the largest group of marine arthropods. Crustaceans are known for their invertebrates with a hard exoskeleton, also known as carapace. Where do crawfish live? Crawfish are more typically found in freshwater, although there are some species that can be found living in brackish water or saltwater. Those that are found in streams and lakes often hide themselves under rocks or logs. They're most commonly found in North America and Southeast Australia, but they can be found on any continent excluding Africa and Antarctica. What and how do they eat? Crawfish have been classified as herbivores, detrivores, omnivores, and obligate carnivores, which means they require some animal matter in their diet for the best growth and health. They ingest living and decomposing plant matter, seeds, algae, epiphytic organisms, microorganisms, and a variety of invertebrates like insects and snails. If possible, they can also feed on small fish. Similar to crabs, crawfish use their claws to eat food by crushing and tearing their food into smaller pieces. Predator/prey relationship. As preys, they are important food sources for fishes, aquatic mammals, waterfowls, and other birds and humans as well. And they feed on small fish, insects, larvae, snails, plant matter, and also dead organic material. This makes them an omnivorous scavenger and detrivores. Their role as both a predator and prey helps maintain homeostasis in their ecosystem. In this predator-prey relationship, one organism directly benefits from consuming the other. They can be considered they can be considered as having a carnivory and herbivory relationship because in some cases they eat another animal and in other cases they can eat plants and algae. Unique evolved traits. Crawfish have two chelipeds, which are claws. One is larger, one is smaller, and the larger is used to help with defense, combat, courtship, and mating, and also to break food into smaller pieces. And they also contain gills that allow them to absorb oxygen from water, and they have four legs that allow them to walk and swim. They can walk forward and swim backwards. Crawfish are in the animal kingdom in the phylum Arthropoda, and this is a picture of different species of crawfish. And how are crawfish important to its ecosystem? Crawfish species cover a wide spectrum of ecological functions, so they are considered a keystone species and ecosystem engineers. They provide top-down and bottom-up control with their omnivorous diet. They consume a variety of organisms that go from macrophytes to macroinvertebrates and even smaller vertebrates. They control the freshwater community composition, and their bearing activities contribute to the sedimentation process. So this is why they're considered the ecosystem engineers. How are crawfish important to humans? Crawfish have a significant role on humans as a food source and are considered economically important. They provide jobs and revenue in coastal areas. Not only do they provide jobs, they also are a food source for humans. Here are my citations, and thank you for listening.